Good day, students. Welcome to mathgotserved.com. In this clip, we're going to go over problem number 6 of part 1 of the fundamentals review on the AP Calculus, AB and BC. This problem corresponds to number 12 of the 1969 AP Calculus multiple choice release test item. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at question number 12. It says if f of x is 4 over x minus 1 and g of x equals 2x, then the solution set of f of g of x is equal to g of f of x is. So this problem is basically assessing our ability to compose functions and to solve the resulting rational equation. Okay, so what we're going to do is first of all find f of g of x and then g of f of x, set them equal to each other, and then solve. So let's start with f of g of x. What does this mean, f of g of x? Well, f of g of x means that you're simply substituting g of x into the x's in f, or you're evaluating f at g. Okay, so all the x's in f will be replaced with the function g of x. So g gets substituted into f. Okay, so we know that f of x is 4 over x minus 1. So f of g of x is simply going to be 4. Now instead of x, we're going to put in g, which is 2x, and then minus 1. So this is f of g of x. Now what do we need to find next? We need to find the right side of the equation, g of f of x. Now what is g of f of x? It simply means you're evaluating g at f, or you're substituting f into all the x's in g. Okay? So let's go ahead and compose g with f. We know that g of x is 2x. So g of f of x is going to be what you get when you replace the x and g with f. So instead of 2x, we have 2 times 4 over x minus 1. Let's go ahead and simplify this. We can express this as a fraction, multiply across top and bottom. So 2 times 4 is 8 over x minus 1. Okay, now we have f of g of x and g of f of x. What are we going to do? We're going to solve for x, where g of f of x, for f of g of x is equal to g of f of x. Okay, so f of g of x is given by 4 over 2x minus 1, and g of f of x is 8 over x minus 1. Okay, so we're done composing. Now we're going to solve this rational equation. So how do we solve this? An easy way to do this is by simply cross multiplying. So if we cross multiply, we're going to have 4 times the quantity x minus 1 equals 8 times the quantity 2x minus 1. Okay, if we distribute, we have 4x minus 4 equals 16x minus 8. Let's see, we can subtract 4 from both sides. Well, let's just subtract 16 from both sides and then add 4. Okay, so if I subtract 16 from both sides, I'll have negative 12x, add 4 to both sides, equals negative 4. Divide both sides by negative 12, we have x equals negative 4 over negative 12, which is 1/3. So our answer is 1 over 3, okay? Just one solution there. So we can see that our answer is option letter A.